some pictures of me rocking this amazing puff. So I was like, let me give my girls, my girlfriends, some advice on how to get a poppin' puff. Of course, it's not a tutorial from start to finish. I did vlog me twisting my hair, but I'm about to just put in a puff. First things first is, of course, you need your hair to be in a twist out. And how I achieve my twist out is through 2-strand twists with my hanging bantu knot on the ends. And I only use one product. You guys know I've been shouting out Palmer's a lot, and it's not just because they sponsor Vlogmas. We really do use Palmer's a lot in my household. In my last vlog, I washed my hair with the Palmer's Rose Water Cleanser. I also conditioned with their conditioner, and I deep conditioned with their hair mask, which is from their Natural Fusions collection. Yeah, so my hair started out very hydrated, moisturized, and definitely conditioned. So my hair was amazing. You know what? I'm going to try to style my hair with nothing but a styler. I mean, it makes sense. If your hair is already conditioned, what is the point of adding a leave-in conditioner? It's just extra product built up on your hair. So I just went straight in with the styler. This is Palmer's Natural Fusions NEEM and BURUTI Style Hold. This is the same product I've been using on Taylor Sky's twist outs, and it's amazing. Like, seriously. So yeah, so definitely start out with a bomb twist out, of course. And I'm going to be using this product today too, because when I style my puff, I'll show you what I do with it. Let's just get started. I just wanted to make sure you guys knew what product I used. Alright, let's get started. Number one, always start your hair in an afro. That really helps with shape and volume. Next, we are going to bring up the afro into a puff. So go ahead and do that with your hands. And now we're using a Goody hairband. And notice I'm not wrapping the Goody hairband. It's just being placed once. Next, we're going to use the afro pick to shape the puff. Because although we had a lot of volume, we still want to make sure the curls are like draping and falling where we want them to. Next, the perimeter of your hair. Most people leave it tight or they slick it down even more. To me, I personally don't like that look. I want the more effortless look. And also, when you have the perimeter fluffy, this also gives your entire style shape. So it's not just like sleek ponytail and then curls. Like, I want my entire head to look like curls everywhere. And I just effortlessly put it up, you know? And so we're looking pretty good, right? Now, if you want to take it up a notch with a more effortless look, go ahead and bring down like some baby hairs or some like little ringlets just to make it seem like, you know, some of my curls didn't want to get in my puff. That's so dumb. But anyway, for real though, like if you just bring little pieces like by your ears, you know, in your kitchen, it just looks so good. Did I just say in your kitchen? Oh my god. Anyway, so I noticed that my curls, once I pull them down, I kind of frizz them out a little bit. So I'm just going to use this NEEM and BURUTI Style Hold product again and add some definition to those pieces that I just pulled down. You only need a little bit. And I mean, seriously, as soon as you put this product on your hair, it like make your curls pop. Like, seriously. I mean, look, there's the proof. Curls popping. They almost look similar to my curls for my twist out. Alright, next. So, baby hairs. I don't have them. I don't, but I do like that baby hair look in certain areas. So this is where I have this little triangle like peak thing on both sides of my head. It's almost like, you know how guys get their hair cut in that little weird shape. I don't like that. So recently I've been pulling down baby hairs and swooping it right in that little triangle area. And to me, that gives me the baby hair look without going overboard. I personally don't like too slick down edges, so this is like perfect for me. And this just definitely tops off the style. What y'all think? my top tips of a puff are start with a bomb twist out. I mean, seriously. Start with a bomb twist out. Also, make sure you shape it into an afro first. That way you get that volume. You get the curls laying where they need to lay. Then use an elastic band. Don't wrap it twice. Just wrap it once. Or don't wrap it at all. Just place it in its normal ring. Don't tighten it or anything. Also, fluff your puff. Fluff it with your fingers. Fluff it with a afro pick. So you can make sure that you're getting the volume you need. There's no weird spaces and the curls are really just falling. Also, with the finger technique, make sure your puff isn't too slick. You want the puff to look like an updo. So you need the back to be kind of puffy right here. You need the sides to be puffy. You need the top to be puffy. You don't want this to be such a like sleek style. You want it to be more effortless. And that also helps with the volume. Also, as you can see, the theme of this puff is nothing is too perfect. So you don't want all the hair slick into the puff. Pull some little pieces down. Add some more product to it if you need to. Oh, excuse me. To like do finger coils, to have these little, you know, these little effortless pieces hanging. Excuse me. So yeah, that is my tips for the puff. Also, oh, I don't really like baby hair, but I noticed that my hairline is like, someone told me my hairline is like the perfect hairline for like a dude to get his shape up. So I do have that little, I don't know, my hairline isn't just straight across. It actually has that little dip or whatever. So I noticed I like bringing my edges down to get rid of that dip because I don't want that dip. So just having your baby hairs or your edges kind of like swooping in that little triangle area. I like how that looks because I don't have baby hair, but that gives me the effect of baby hair and I like that. So that's what I've been doing lately. But yeah, that's all my tips. Like I said, this isn't like a tutorial, it's just a few tips I wanted to share. And thank you guys for liking all my recent pictures that I took in my bedroom. I'll make sure to insert them. I have fun with those pictures. So yeah. Peace out, you guys. And if you guys are interested in my accent wall in my bathroom, I just wanted to give you some tips really quick before I go. The paint I used is by Color Place. It's from Walmart. It's in Onyx Black. And I just used this sponge brush. I think it's 1 inch. And it was perfect to create the brush strokes here on this wall. See, it's like, I don't know, it just makes the brush strokes really precise. And effortless, just like my puff, I'm just saying. But yeah, I'm really obsessed with this whole accent wall. I now have one in my living room, my bedroom, and my bathroom. So give it a try. It's fun.